on number 18, it says if $3,500 is invested in an account paying 3.2% compounded continuously, then find the value of the investment after 12 years. So when it's compounding continuously, this is compounding every instant. So it's always compounding. So it has its own formula when this is the case, and it's the formula that involves E. Let's first identify our information. So they're wanting to know the future value. The present value, we're investing $3,500. The rate is 3.2, so this will be 0.032, and then the time is 12 years. So my formula is A is equal to P times E raised to the RT. A lot of people use the phrase PERT to remember that. So A is equal to 3,500 times E raised to the 0.032 times 12. And if we type that into the calculator, then we should get $5,138.51. So this would be the amount after 12 years that you would have.